Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and today we are gonna watch the most suggested performance, the most suggested video from Thailand. This is a performance named Power and we have two crazy amazing voices, Gam Vishayane and Lydia. My sumo mask, one of my favorites. I love Lydia. Okay, this is a program named Diva Makeover, I think, and they are gonna sing Power. Gam Vishayane, Diva of Thailand and R&B Princess of Thailand, Lydia. Come on, this is gonna be crazy. I am so excited. Let's start. Yes. Woo!
I'm a machine when I do it. I'll be catching fire, catching lean when I do it. Just cause you're fucking whoop down south, that don't mean I'm never gonna take it lying down. Baby,
I was curious about if we are really listening Lydia because her first entrance of this performance was so different. That throat play, throat voices, that was so different from Lydia's what I used to listen from the Mask show. And now we have Gam Vishayane. Come on.
you're the man. But I got the power. You make rain. But I'll make it shower. You should know. I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel long as you don't forget.
And Gam Vishayane showed her powerful voice in the start of this performance. This is gonna be a really powerful performance. This is gonna be a really crazy performance. I know I'm gonna freak out from this performance. I'm gonna love this performance, okay?
Who got the power? Hold up, my turn. I make this look easy, tick tick boom like gasoline. Yeah, they call me Lamborghini, cause I know just what I'm worth. So sincere to your harness, but body make him shatter. My anti put the butter, cause I got me coming first. Yeah, I'm in machine when I do it. I'll be catching fire, gasoline when I do it. Just cause you pick it, whoop down south. This don't mean I'm never gonna take it loud down, baby.
I wasn't expecting this rap part, by the way. I don't know the song Power. This is my first time listening it from these two crazy ladies, and this is surprising. Their performance, they are looking so different from their usual performances. This is very different performance and very powerful. Come on.
You're the man, but I got the power. You make rain, but I'll make it shower. You should know.
Yes.
I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel long as you don't forget. Who got the power?
You got the power. Of course you got the power. Of course you got the power. These two crazy women. By the way, Gam Vishayane looking so tall. I'm curious about how tall she is. Okay, there are a little differences between Lydia and Gam Vishayane. But okay, look at the stage. Look at this crazy stage. I love that. I love that. Look at the lights. This is beautiful. Whew. Okay.
Don't be fooled, I got you wrapped up in the arms of an animal.
I want to listen this part again. This is Lydia. Come on. This is Lydia's signature singing type. Okay. This is how much I love Lydia. Those transactions chest and head voices. Come on, let's listen that again.
I got you wrapped up in the arms of an animal. Got you thinking that I'm all innocent, but wait till I get you home. If you don't, baby, you should know I'm the one who's in control.
Okay.
Motorbike, 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 bike, 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 bike. You're the man, but I got the power. You make it. But I'll make it that way. You should know I'm the one who's in control. I'm in control now. Now let you come take the wheel long as you don't forget.
Did you hear that crazy note before this screaming part? They are having some legendary performance right now. Diva Makeover. I don't know which year from this performance, but they are looking amazing. They are singing amazing. And this is so different, right? This is very different. Crazy woman performance. Two crazy women. And the dancers are crazy also.
I'm the one who's in control. I'm in control now. Now let you come take the wheel long as you don't forget.
Yes.
But I got the power. You make it.
Whew.
But I'll make it that way. You should know I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wheel long as you don't forget.
There are flags, and I think there is Diva writing on it. Diva flags, right? Okay, Diva Makeup. So the name of the performance, the program is Diva Makeover. And I think this is the most legendary performance whole this program's history. I'm not sure if there are any more performance like this. This must be an unique performance. Lydia and Gam Vishayane. Come on. Oh yes.
Baby, don't forget I got the power, Power, Motorbike, 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 bike, 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 bike.
Motorbike. What a crazy song is this? What a crazy song is this? Motorbike, motorbike, bike, bike, bike. That was cool. Lydia and Gam Vichayane, they were like crazy. They were in fire in this performance. This is legendary performance. This performance was great. And I'm not sure if there are any crazy performance than this in this performance, in this organization, in this Diva Makeup program. I think this is the peak point of this program. It must be. Two crazy ladies. Diva of Thailand and Princess of R&B. Come on. This is amazing. You suggested this performance many times, my friends. Thank you. And thank you for your support, of course. Have a nice day, my friends. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.